Have you ever looked into the eyes of a goat, sheep, or an octopus? Well, at least for the sake of seeing their rectangular pupils. Yep, they have a rectangular, or more precisely, a horizontal oval pupil, which helps them to see the widest possible panorama around them. Due to the elongated shape of the pupil, the goat, for example, has a viewing angle of almost 340 degrees. That is, when grazing, it easily observes what is happening around it, without even raising its head. Recent research reports suggest that a long horizontal pupil improves the image quality of objects in front and behind the animal, making it easier for them to move quickly over uneven or mountainous terrain or water.